Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Cadillac CTS. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.